got some new parts. Yo, welcome back to another video, y'all. It's Fast Boy JD back in the cut. If y'all are new to the channel, please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. Join the beautiful family where we make the sickest builds on the motherfucking channel. Oh shit. We make the sickest build on YouTube. Whoops. Alright, y'all. So, yes, we got some packages downstairs finally. The packages are finally here. Not all of them, but we got 2 out of 3. And don't worry, we got more things that will come after this. But this is the beginning of something great. Just know that. Now, before I show y'all what I got, I'm just going to tell y'all kind of what it is. Sort of. So far, I've been driving. Once I took out the back seats, as you can see, this hoe has been like extremely loud. And I think I've had enough of that. I'm kind of tired of being deaf. And I'm kind of tired of having to yell when I'm talking to people in my car. So, I wanted a Tomei. Now, Tomeis are $900. And this isn't a 370Z. So, we're going to do a little different kind of thing. We didn't get an ISR. We didn't get an HC power. We didn't get a name brand exhaust. I ordered a 4-inch, well, I ordered a muffler with a 3-inch inlet and a 4-inch exit, similar to a Tomei. So what I'm trying to do is replicate the designs of a Tomei, obviously not with titanium, basically a budget Tomei, because in total this exhaust is going to cost me maybe $150, and this shit sounds crazy. So that being said, I'm going to show y'all the exhaust once I go pick it up. Alright, let's open this shit up. I don't want to even go back upstairs just because I have to work later and I want this shit done today. So we're gonna do it now. This shit was 55 bucks. It's about as big as a Tomei's muffler. Looks very similar. Honestly, this shit looks pretty damn good for 50 bucks. I wanted to try it out. We'll see. I know they don't use the same technology for the muffler, like the sound. But honestly, as long as it quiets this fucking bitch down, that's all I want. Fucking cannon right here. Yo, this shit's finna look good as fuck. I hope y'all are ready for this. This is another box. That's for another video. Y'all stay tuned, okay? Alright, now that we got the muffler shit, we're gonna go to the exhaust shop. It's probably gonna be like 50 bucks to do it. And then that's gonna be done. It's just gonna look sexy. And yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Little exhaust clip for the last time. I'm gonna just do some little revs and shit. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna miss the sound, but not really. Bro, one of these days we gotta get a GoPro on this channel because I cannot be dropping my phone while I'm driving. That shit will cause problems. Alright, y'all, so we're getting the muffler on right now. I'm gonna show you how it looks. Check that shit out. Shit pretty clean. Can't wait to see how it looks on the car though. Alright, like I said, y'all, 60 bucks. If y'all need cheap muffler work, hit them up right here. They got tires too, bro. That shit, hey, that shit cheap. Compared to fucking discount tire charging $1,000 for some fucking tires, bitch, hell no. But yeah, okay. Show y'all you already heard how it sounds before, so hopefully it keeps the same tone, just less bass in the cabin. That's what I'm hoping for. Y'all cross your fingers. We're gonna wait. Damn, okay. It's not looking too bad. What y'all know about that budget Tomei though? Shit. Y'all know how Fresh Kicks be like, is that a Tomei dog? I'm gonna be like, is that an eBay dog? Hey, don't forget to like the video, y'all. This is the time to do it. What do y'all think it's gonna sound like? Think it's gonna sound good or bad? I have some high hopes for this shit, honestly. With this budget ass exhaust, I have some high hopes. We're gonna see what's this shit. All right, not gonna lie, it's really quiet. So that's gonna make me want to cut the resonator, but I'm not gonna do that right now because I know that the exhaust kind of has to get used to the heat of the engine and everything. So that being said, I'm happy with how it sounds. The car definitely feels a bit smoother. It doesn't feel like it's like choking and shit, but it's a lot more quiet, which I do appreciate now that I can hear in the car. So when we get to the house, I'm gonna do a better exhaust clip and shit, so y'all can kind of hear it better. Well, y'all probably did hear it better. I got my friend to record. But yeah, so that's the budget eBay exhaust. Quiets the bitch down for sure. So I'm probably gonna cut the resonator, but hey, I finally got an exhaust on and that shit looks good. All right, I'm gonna give y'all a little show. So first, let me show you how it looks. So now that it's on the ground, actually, damn, that all looks good. Bro, look at that shit. That hell looks fucking fire. I'm not gonna lie, for 60 bucks, that's a fucking steal. Now really, we need to see how it sounds. So, sound test. Alright, so that's the little exhaust clip. I didn't really hit that shit rowdy because there's people in here and I don't want to hear shit about my car. It's a little too quiet for me, but I know I need a Y pipe, so the sound's gonna change with that. And then if that doesn't make it louder, then I may cut the resonator. Yo, what's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. Well, not another video, this is the same video. So, not gonna lie, the car's too quiet for me and it's gonna drive me insane. I'm not trying to wait until I get a Y pipe to hear how the exhaust is gonna sound. So with that being said, we're gonna go back to the muffler shop and I'm gonna have them redo the pipe, not the muffler pipe, but I'm gonna get the resonator cut off. Also, the pipe is hitting my div, so that shit's like, that shit's mad annoying. So we're gonna get that taken care of right now, and then I'm gonna do my taxes, but I'm not gonna show that on video, obviously. But yeah, so I'll stay tuned. All right, we're back at the shop. Pretty sure it's gonna sound way better after this. Yeah, let me know. Little eBay muffler part 2. All right, he just finished the exhaust. Sound clip coming right now. Alright, y'all heard the startup. Let's do a little sound clip, right? Sound clip part 2, no resonator. That's a little better. What do y'all think? Like the video? Alright, let me know down below if it sounds better with or without the resonator. I think without sounds way better, honestly. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video this time, for real. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show y'all what's in that other box in the next video, and then after that, ooh, we got some good shit coming. I promise y'all that shit. Hey, thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.